Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of 1 divided by 1 plus ex dx. Okay, you can solve this integral using the substitution rule. So if you define 1 plus ex as u, and if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, you get ex dx will be equal to du. Okay, and from this equation you can conclude that dx is equal to 1 divided by ex times du, and instead of ex I simply write u minus 1 du. Okay, so now you need to substitute these expressions into this integral, and you can rewrite this integral as, instead of dx I simply write 1 divided by u minus 1 du. Okay, and instead of 1 plus ex I simply write u. Okay, 1 plus ex is equal to u. Okay, so now you need to solve this integral. Okay, so using algebra, you can simply show that 1 divided by u minus 1 times u is equal to 1 divided by u minus 1 minus 1 divided by u. Okay, so basically you express this rational function in terms of the partial function, and if it is not clear for you how to do that, please write for me in the comment section and I'll explain for you how to do that. Therefore, you can now rewrite this integral as integral of, because this expression now is equal to this minus that, so therefore this integral will be equal to integral of du over u minus 1 minus du over u. Okay, and this one will be equal to integral of du over u minus 1 is equal to ln u minus 1 minus integral of du over u is equal to ln u plus c, which is the constant of the integral, and that one and this is equal to ln u minus 1 divided by u plus c. Okay, c is the constant of the integral. Okay, so all you need to do here now is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, and u was 1 plus ex, right? So therefore this one will be equal to ln u, that is 1 plus ex minus 1, that will be ex, divided by u, which is 1 plus ex, okay, plus c, which is the constant of the integral, and that is the solution to our integral. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.